cool when the sun is setting and you have all the lights coming out. You have this crazy like Tencent in the background, one of the biggest tech companies in China and the world, and you have these like skyscrapers everywhere here. Of course, you have so much amazing food everywhere here. Fantastic. So finally we got this amazing food here. I'm gonna start with a bit of a chicken soup here. I have a lot of goodies. Okay, so welcome to the video in Shenzhen here in the southern part of the Guangdong province of mainland China, next to Hong Kong border. It's a pretty big city to say the least, like 12 million people according to some estimates, 20 according to some others. The economy is booming like crazy, almost like 20%, or no, 10% last year, but a lot faster than many other places. I'm just gonna walk around, show you guys a little bit, probably try some food. It's Sunday here. Gonna try to find some local food. Already see some tasty stuff here, so we'll see. Gonna be here a few days, maybe throwing some random clips here, so see what happens. Already starting very promising here. Found a Kudo Cafe. We have Pay Success here. 27 RMB, fantastic. We're gonna get some nice coffee, continue walking, explore. There's a lot of cool buildings in the background. I'm just gonna try to go to a park, probably, hopefully get some food on the way. And also actually when I was in the hotel just checking out, I found this kind of interesting robots. Just gonna show you that. Pretty crazy in the hotel. I have this robot here delivering stuff to someone's room. Pretty cool. Waiting for the elevator. But yeah, I'm gonna continue exploring. Yes, welcome back to this amazing afternoon. Fantastic. Got some iced coffee here. A lot of good energy. Nothing can go wrong when you have some iced Americano. Let's get walking. Just walking on this nice local neighborhood there and see these lanterns at the back. And we're just at the Lunar New Year, or the Chinese New Year. They said, welcome to Spring Festival here. Very nice. Just walking around here. I just love to walk in these cities and explore, much better than being in the taxi or subway. Fantastic Sunday afternoon. Here's a bit of another local tradition. You have these trees, you put the lanterns inside, and you also have all these kind of small mandarins on the tree. You can see the orange. It's supposed to give you luck. When I lived in Hong Kong, you had those everywhere, decorating the streets. Really interesting traditions. I think I struck gold there immediately. Found this kind of Cantonese or Hong Kong style place here. Have all this BBQ pork and a lot of crispy stuff. Definitely gonna go in here and check out the local stuff. This is where I love exploring. Let's go inside. Yeah, seeing all these menus here in the background definitely reminds me of my days in Hong Kong. Totally amazing. Let's get some meat. Nice. Gonna cut it up here. Wow, that's looking fantastic too. Wow, I'm gonna try that one. That's a lot of rice, but definitely not gonna eat everything. Some nice sauce there. Wow, that is looking crazy good. Wow, that is totally amazing. That's insane. What a feast. Thank you. Totally amazing. We have all the food and I even got a bit of a soup here. Let's try it. Definitely a very local place. A lot of sound in the background. We got this nice soup. We're gonna try it. Then we're gonna have this amazing feast here with all this fantastic meat. It's actually the Lantern Festival today, the last day of the New Year. So let's celebrate with some soup. Very mild. Bit of almost like tea inside. Very refreshing after a long day of traveling. But now, of course, for the highlight of the meal here, we're gonna have a bit of this chassis. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite. The barbecue pork here is like honey glazed, crazy. Very nice. Some honey and sugar, not ideal from a health perspective, but it's also nice. They gave me a lot of rice here. Definitely not gonna finish everything, but let's try out this chicken here. Very nice and juicy. Ooh, drop one piece, but try this one. Amazing. Some good ginger inside. And we have some more meat here. It's looking insanely good. Some fat, very tender. Chinese definitely know how to cook their food. Then you also have a lot of these interesting sort of pickles here. I wasn't really a fan of that before, but it's so nice here in China. Even the vegetables are much better. You have this fantastic cabbage here with a bit of a chili. Try it. I think we got a bit of a bonus here. I actually don't know what that is. Looks very fatty, maybe some sort of sausage or something. I don't know, but let's try it. Sausage, very good. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this here. We have also some rice with some nice sauce here. Not the best, lot of carbs, but very tasty. Yeah, enjoy this, relax a bit, and then I'll see you on the way walking later. Yeah, they're a bit relaxed here. You can smoke inside, no problem. The old China, very local place, that's for sure. Yeah, that was totally fantastic. And 30 RMB, that's like $4 totally crazy. We have another cool place here, Hong Kong tapas in the background. A lot of cool stuff to check it out. I'm gonna walk, get some steps in. Already have 10,000 steps actually from the gym this morning, and also walk in the airport and stuff, but can explore a bit. Then we'll see. Maybe dinner later, who knows. I really love these tropical vibes in the back end, all this greenery that's come from Beijing, where it's quite cold, and you have these nice green trees and the people everywhere walking around. It's relaxing. I feel the tempo is so much nicer down here. People just enjoying it a bit more. Just gonna walk along the streets, and you can see in the background here all this amazing food hanging in the store here with all this barbecue meat and the chicken and the duck. Totally amazing. Definitely can try a bit more of this later. Just so much good stuff here everywhere. They definitely love their meat here. I love these cozy vibes here. Let's see if we can find that park. So much good food here everywhere. I have a lot of nice noodles there now. People are sitting here with some fantastic dumplings. And you have this kind of street cart here doing a lot of stuff in the background. Definitely gonna come back for dinner later. But yeah, this is one of the best part about traveling and trying all the food. Really lush when you walk around all these green streets, and you have all these neon lights starting to come out here in the evening. Really kind of tropical mix, big city, and you have a lot of cars and traffic in the background. You gotta be careful here. Really love just walking around, exploring, especially this area where I'm now, like the Nanshan. Super cozy with all these trees everywhere. Yeah, I don't mind walking around, exploring a lot when the weather is like this. So nice. It's like 20 degrees compared to Beijing was like 0 or minus. Fine. Life could definitely be better. The sun is setting in. It's such a huge city. You see all this lantern and traffic, and the sun is coming down really nice. We're just close to the Hong Kong border. So nice here. All these like food just walking around. Getting a little bit chilly, but 20 degrees, can't complain. Gonna continue walking. I just love to be active and walking around here. It's like shifting from skyscrapers to parks and trees. Amazing, just exploring China. So many lanterns here everywhere in the trees. Just walking around, beautiful, and you have all these amazing skyscrapers here when you look now. Crazy dynamic landscape here in southern China. Just love it. So cool when the sun is setting and you have all the lights coming at you. You have this crazy like Tencent in the back, one of the biggest tech companies in China and the world, and you have these like skyscrapers everywhere here. Of course, you have so much amazing food everywhere here. Definitely some fantastic vibes here in southern China and Shenzhen and Guangdong, next to Hong Kong, as I mentioned. Hot pot, yeah, so much good stuff. We'll see if I'm gonna meet up some friends or not, but just seeing all this makes me so inspired. If you haven't been to Shenzhen, you should definitely come and check it out if you have the opportunity. A lot of tech stuff, amazing food, fantastic people, very inspiring, that is for sure. So yeah, gonna continue walking and see if I can make it before the sun goes down. Check out the water, otherwise another time, but just enjoy walking here. I don't mind getting some 10k or 20k steps in and just taking in all this in the background. So crazy nice. Let's continue walking. Yeah, so I didn't make it to the park, but I got this pretty crazy view in the background here. I have these enormous buildings here, a lot of skyscrapers. Actually managed to fly my drone here a bit unexpected actually, and you have these cool lightings in the background. Definitely nice. I was thinking maybe to meet up a friend, but it doesn't seem to be happening today, so I'm just gonna see what I can find around here. So much amazing food. Just to walk around and see what I can find. Fantastic Sunday evening, that's for sure. This place definitely looks really cool. Hong Kong hot pot. I haven't tried that before. Gonna see if I can queue up here. It looks really cool. They have some fish and a lot of cozy stuff outside. Let's wait for it.
A04, 请您用餐了。
Yeah, that's the sound of waiting. You get a number here.
请您用餐了。
And wait for your turn. Hope it's fast. Fantastic. Finally, it's time for me. Let's get the chicken. Really cool environment here in the background with the lights. Very cozy, a lot of amazing lights. Really love the interior. Let's sit down here. Seems like we got a bit of a gift here, a free fish coupon or something. I'm gonna have the chicken, that's for sure, and then I'm gonna have also a bit the ribs. It's gonna be a pretty amazing meal. Nice, we got the chicken here. While they're preparing the chicken here, cutting up the pieces. Nice. Really cool, so he's cutting up the chicken here in the background here. A lot of nice, tasty pieces. And then we got the special for today, free, the curry fish balls, I think. And we actually have the Lantern Festival today, and you have supposed to eat this kind of sweet dessert thing here. So I'm gonna try that one. Really nice, and then waiting also for the ribs. It's gonna be pretty amazing. Fantastic. So the chicken is cut up and ready to boil here. Looking good. Now we got a lot of amazing spices here. It's fantastic. And we're also getting this amazing pork rib thing. It's gonna be fantastic. Nice. The soup is ready to be eaten. Looking really tasty. Definitely gonna try that now. Amazing. We have the sauce and the fresh chicken here. Some crazy good. Fantastic. So finally we got this amazing food here. I'm gonna start with a bit of a chicken soup here. I have a lot of goodies, but this is the famous part. Take a look at this. Wow, dripping a lot of fresh chicken broth. Let's try it. Nice with the natural sauce and the broth from the chicken skin. Really, really nice. Okay, let's try this interesting sort of fish balls in curry. And you have this kind of white radish. Haven't tried this before, but looking interesting. Dripping a bit, but very, very tasty. Wow, unexpected good stuff. Then I think we have maybe the king of the show here. Let's see. We have some nice pork here that is looking really crispy with the garlic on top. Insane. Let's try it. Wow. Let's have a look at this. Let's have another one. A bit of a basil as well. Crazy good. So let's try the dessert here. People are laughing a lot in the background. So this is some very sweet stuff. It's actually special because it's the Lantern Festival here. It's supposed to be dessert, but let's try it now. Very sweet. Bit of a glutinous rice. I don't normally like dessert, but that's very tasty. So they actually told me that this soup is for 2 people, but I told them I like to eat a lot, so no problem. Let's dig out some more chicken here. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, that is a lot. Ooh, a lot of spices. Yes, of course, you have to put the spice inside. We have a lot of cool stuff here. We have a lot of good stuff here. We have some dried garlic, I think. No, actually, this is the garlic. I think that was a dried onion. Very good stuff. Some scallions, probably some oil here. That is looking crazy good. Okay, let's see if we can dip a bit here. Ooh, that was crazy good. We have the whole chicken here with the skin, a lot of dripping stuff. Fantastic. When you dip it like this, ooh, that is looking crazy good. Let's try it. Amazing. I just love when you can make your kind of own sauces here. It's so tasty. Also have some interesting kind of pickles here. A lot of local stuff. Let's try. Crunchy. Just gotta love Chinese pickles. We're just gonna have a final bite here with this spicy pork piece. Totally amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time here and enjoy all these mixed spices and these fish balls and the chicken and the pork and this dessert. And just alloy a lot of it. So we'll see you outside and walk a bit later. Fantastic. So after that totally insane meal, it's time to walk home. Getting 20,000 steps so far. Gonna walk another like 30 minutes. But that was a bit of an unexpected experience. A lot of fantastic stuff and an amazing way to end this first week of the Lunar New Year, actually starting today, the year of the rabbit. Actually, it's my year since I'm born in 1987. Just gonna enjoy a bit the cozy evening here. But if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, random walking around exploring China, have some random fitness tips, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.